Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Yesterday we were reading chapter 13, The Earth. I told you the earth is our mother. The earth is not flat as we see it. It is in fact round the round like an orange. We live on the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth is made up of land and water. Today we will learn about landforms, valleys, plateau and deserts. Valleys are the low-lying areas between two mountains or hills. A lowland between hills or mountains is called a valley. A valley is very fertile land. Crops grow easily there. There are thick forests in the valley. Plateau is also known as a tableland. A flat highland which looks like a tabletop is called a plateau. A plateau is also known as a tableland. Deccan Plateau in India is the largest plateau. Islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Do you know, my dear students, the continent of Australia is an island, a piece of land surrounded on all sides by water is called an island. Deserts. Deserts are large, dry, and hot areas of land which receive little or no rainfall throughout the year. Some parts of the earth with very little or no rains are covered with sand. They are called deserts. Very few plants and animals are found in desert. Now we will discuss various water bodies. Did you know that 70% or over two-thirds of the earth's surface is covered with water? Oceans. Ocean is the largest body of water. Ocean have salty water. Rivers. A river is a stream of water that flows across the land. Next is lake. A lake is a large body of fresh water surrounded by land on all sides. This is the picture of pond. An area of water that is smaller than a lake. A pond is an area filled with water, either natural or artificial, that is smaller than a lake. Now let's have a quick recap. Valley. A lowland between hill or mountains is called a valley. A valley is very fertile land. Crops grow easily there. There are thick forests in the valley. Plateau. A flat highland which looks like a table top is called a plateau. A plateau is also known as tableland. Island. A piece of land surrounded on all sides by water is called an island. Deserts. Some parts of the earth with very little or no rain are covered with sand. They are called deserts. Very few plants and animals are found in deserts. Water bodies. There are large and small water bodies. On the earth's surface, ocean and sea are very large water bodies. There are rivers, lakes and ponds. Oceans and sea. Very large area of water are called sea and ocean. Sea water is very salty. We cannot drink it. Big seas are called oceans. When snow on high mountains melt, it forms rivers. A river flows down the mountain. River water is not salty and is called fresh water. Many rivers flow and enter the seas. The two sides of a river are called banks. Most plains get their water supply from rivers. Lakes. At some places, fresh or salty water is surrounded by land. Such areas of water are called lakes. Ponds. Ponds are small areas of collected rain water. My dear students, today your homework is draw various landforms and water bodies in your SST copy.